Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop theory series on PK100. So today's question is, what is clone tool? A clone tool is a function in many graphics program including Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and other that also user to replace one part of an image with another. It is also known as rubber stamp or clone brush because the icon in a toolbar often resemble a rubber stamp. This clone stamp is a primary used to photo retouching. In many image editing programs, to clone tool works by using texture synthesis to fill any gaps in an image. It is typically used to remove imperfection in photo such as blemishes on skin or telephone wires. The clone tool is first used to sample a part of image that is then be used to replace the unbearable part. For example, for skin blemishes, a user can use to clone tool on unblemishes part of person skin, and the telephone wires a user might use to clone tool on the part of image that contains the sky. Used correctly, the clone tool can make it possible to use images the world otherwise be rejected of technically mistakes. However, when overused, it can make of image look unnatural.
सो तुम्हाला जर बेसिक पासून ॲडव्हान्स पर्यंत फोटोशॉप जर शिकायचं असेल तर तुम्ही आपल्या PK100 YouTube चॅनल वरती बेसिक टू ॲडव्हान्स पर्यंत फोटोशॉप जे आहे ते तुम्ही शिकू शकता. सिंपल तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, आपल्या YouTube चॅनल वरती एक प्लेलिस्ट मी बनवलेली आहे फोटोशॉप मास्टर कोर्स म्हणून. त्या प्लेलिस्ट तुम्हाला बघायच्या, त्या प्लेलिस्ट मधील पूर्ण व्हिडिओज तुम्हाला बघायचे आणि लर्न इट. थँक यू गाइज, थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थँक यू.